ladies. Hey, what's up? So, today, I have another video. I know, I've made about way too many. Yeah, like, way too many. Way too many videos. But, today, I'm gonna make an actually kind of good one. I guess. This is gonna be a tutorial for each of the spells related to Sorcery Nomad. The reason why I'm doing this, and I know a lot of people have been doing this, but the reason I'm doing this is because I actually saw one of those like 2 minutes ago. And well, they actually missed a couple parts, like 2 or 3, you know, just some minor things. So I'm gonna cover all of them and cover each of the imbues. So, yeah. And of course, because I don't know how to edit, you're just gonna watch me have to run all the way there. Struggling. Bro, this man is so athletic. Look. Dude, I love it when he goes like this to run faster. Alright, let's just do some Right, so, I'm just gonna stay still, say sorry for not being good quality, but yeah. Alright, so I'm just gonna do some endless mode. I'm gonna turn off the, actually no, I have to keep on. I can just do advancing. We're just gonna turn on infinite mana. Alright, first up, starting with fire. Fire is pretty, well known. You have, just your average fireballs. They're pretty strong. And then you got the mega boy. Ta-da! So that's what we call an epic gamer moment. Let's go. Let's continue this. Hey yo! Alright. This is gonna link it to our next weapon, our next one. Oh, run! Well, actually, I'm not done with fire. You know what? You don't even have. I need a staff for this next bit. Well, let's not get my guy. Can you not? Kind of review this. I have to run. Alright. So, by pressing the bottom button, I think it's like A or something. Did I not set it? Alright. You can also, throw fire in the direction you want it to go. But I actually don't know how this works. Let me just hit the ground funnily. Don't know how I'm supposed to do this. I'm just kind of... What? Can someone... Yeah, I don't understand that. It's supposed to send out a homing. Alright, time to turn on invincibility. Oh yeah, it also does burn. I'm also going to be talking. Oh, frick. Of course. Why does this have to happen to me? Give me a minute. I unplugged my headphones. I cannot find. Bro, what? Why is everything going wrong? Eat apples to regen health because. This is just. Alright, I'm also gonna be showing you dealing a blaze of fire. This is what it looks like. You can stab through stuff and does massive amounts of damage. Like, just kind of obliterates people. Alright, next up, we're going with lightning. So I'm gonna start with the view first. This one is probably one of the coolest ones, depending on your opinion. But this is, I just, so when you hit someone, it kind of makes them have a seizure. Like, wrong. See? They get a funny seizure. And they can't do anything about it. After again. Looks good. So yeah, it's pretty strong. But along with that, you also have funny lightning power. Zappity 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 zoo. But you also have a very fun move. Kame. Alright. And then, oh wait, I did. My hair. It's not my hair. This one is probably my favorite, just because of what you can do with it. Alright. This is the decapitation machine. Yeah, it kind of just decapitates people, but hitting the ground causes funny. So you can literally, the best way to use this is just kind of do this. Yo, what's good, guys? That's basically all it is. But now for my personal favorite, gravity. Which actually has, so you have normal gravity. But also, yes, when you jump, it slows your fall. And you can propel yourself forward and upwards. So that allows for some pretty amazing stuff to happen. Ow, just hit my headset. You can do this. And land on the person across the map. You could just finish them. Now, I know what you want to see. Alright, so I will show you the last one. Oh yeah. And then I have to... Alright. Like, dang, broski, is anyone gonna stop me? Oh yeah, it also has that same funny effect. probably the best one. Good sir. Yeah. But you also have the other funny ability to fly into the sky. Ready? I'm gonna make my thing lag out of existence. So that's... I keep forgetting how I'm supposed to use this. So that's... Whoa. Whoa, Buster. I don't want to fall down, do I? So, that's basically it. I hope you enjoyed. These people keep stabbing my head. But, that's basically it. My eyes. Anyways, that should be it. Hope you enjoyed.